Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred one more Kashmiri youth in Kupwara district today, taking the toll to 8 in the Kashmir Valley since Thursday. The troops martyred a youth during a cordon and search operation in Jammu area of the district. Yesterday, 2 youth were martyred at Chiva Kala in Pulwama, 1 at Nunar in Ganderbal, and 1 in Handwara area of Kupwara. On Thursday, the troops martyred 2 youth, 1 each in Pulwama and Srinagar areas. Illegally detained senior APSC leader Shabbir Ahmed Shah has strongly condemned the fresh killing spree unleashed by Indian occupation forces. Shabbir Shah, in a message from New Delhi's notorious Tihar jail, said the continued bloodshed by the brutal Indian forces poses an existential threat to the Kashmiris who are bearing the brunt of Hindutva agenda of Modi-led Indian regime in the occupied territory. Terming the recent killings in the occupied valley as part of the systematic genocide campaign of the Hindutva regime, Shabbir Shah appealed to the international human rights organizations to take India to the task for inflicting heavy pain in terms of killing innocent people in Jammu and Kashmir. Meanwhile, a protest demonstration organized by the Handicapped Association was held in Jammu in favor of their demands. The protesters marched towards the Divisional Commissioner office and presented a memorandum mentioning their demands. Pakistan has rejected Indian decision to hold an internal court of inquiry into the missile incident. Pakistan's Foreign Office spokesperson Asim Iftikhar Ahmed, in a statement terming Indian decision as insufficient, has said since the missile ended up in Pakistani territory, therefore Pakistan demands a joint probe to accurately establish the facts surrounding the incident. He said the incident indicates many loopholes and tactical lapses of serious nature in Indian handling of strategic weapons, and the international community has to take serious notice of the incident and play its due role in promoting strategic stability in the region. Kashmir Media Service, in a report on the Indian government's confession, said the failed test of the supersonic BrahMos missile has raised many questions about its credibility. The report maintained that the failure of BrahMos test due to the technical reasons and sheer blunders could have triggered a war between the two neighboring countries. All Parties Joint Action Committee Ramban, in a meeting, has said the Delimitation Commission has become the frontal organization of the BJP, whose sole objective has become to disempower people. Spokesman of the local chapter of Indian National Congress, Ravinder Sharma, has said the proxy government of BJP has set the process of opening of 51 more liquor shops in one go, which is the worst gift to the youth of the territory.